Yo, what is up, guys? So we are back with another Offroad Outlaws. Right now I'm on the... Well, I guess this truck needs a name. So, we obviously got the Beaver over here. And then we got this truck. But I have been playing Offroad Outlaws a lot recently. So I now give you the KOOL bus. Alright, so we got KOOL bus right there. 2 flags, it's American flag wrap. We got NOS back there. Had red, white, and blue antenna with a cowboy hat. We got the bull horns lifted to the max. But yeah, so we need a name for this truck, and please give me a recommendation in the comments for that. But yeah, equip that trailer. Load this on the trailer. No, I do not want that. Alright. What? Can't connect to the room. Also, the bus is diesel swap, so it rolls coal. What the heck? That was weird. I don't know what just happened. Alright, so... Not big tire boggin. Alright, switch it. By the way, this thing wheelies like a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna see if this guy wants to race. Shoot. What in the... Alright, we're just gonna line up right here. Right here at this line. Hold on. Okay. Crap, that did not work. Dude, this is not cool. Dude, I just lost. 'Cause dang it, bro. That really sucks. And now I'm stuck. But it's so funny just seeing a bus roll coal. And when it was gas, it did shoot flames out the exhaust. Oh, we're doing backflips. Well, that kind of sucks. Oh my gosh. I could have gotten silver on that. Dude, that kind of sucks. Yo, you wanna race? Bruh, come on. Oh crap. Getting a little squirrely. Sometimes when I film videos, I'll like forget that I'm filming videos and I won't talk much. But yeah. Uh-oh. This bus is so fun to drift. Of course, now that I say it, I can't do it. And it's so fun getting air on that jump right there. Alright, I'll drift it and show you. That wasn't a good one at all. Alright, I'm gonna leave this. Alright, what the heck? There we go. But yeah, this thing is sick. It doesn't say how long I've been recording for. It hasn't been very long. But yeah, this thing is sick. Yeah, I got the KOOL. I colored the diff and stuff. But yeah, I am going to do. Actually, I'm gonna do it in the bus. The bus is better. Alright, but yeah, if you have a name for the blue truck, please drop a name in the comments for it, because it would be sick. Because every truck in the fleet, well, every vehicle in the fleet will have a name. So we got the KOOL bus and the Beaver. We just need a name for the other truck. But yeah. This thing isn't very good at towing. Not at all. No, I lost a log. That's what you're gonna get when you're drifting your KOOL bus. Skirt. Oh, that's an excavator. But yeah. This bus is sick. How much money do I got? $5,000. Let's go blow that on the bus. And now I get an ad. That's nice. But yeah, please like and subscribe on this video. I'm trying to get monetized. But yeah, what was I gonna do? Oh, I was gonna... the sound I've ever heard on an ad.
Just type Snake Game to play daily challenges. Customize what your snake or fruit looks like, or just play the classic right in the Google app. Search, play, repeat. Download the Google app.
Dude, these ads are so weird. Alright, I'm trying to get dudes on the bus. Oh great, we get the same ad
Just type Snake Game to play daily challenges. Customize what your snake or fruit looks like, or just play the classic right in the Google app. Search, play, repeat. Download the Google app.
Alright, I just need 20 more.
This is what could happen if you get a personal loan with SoFi. In just the first few minutes, you can check your fixed low rate with no impact on your credit score. As soon as the same day, you could have up to $100,000. Later that month, you'll have only one fixed payment instead of multiple payments with high interest rates and due dates. The following month, you may notice a little extra money in your bank account from all those savings, and you may notice your savings keeps growing every month. In 1 year, you could save big on interest, and in a couple of years, you could have less financial stress.
It's so boring having to watch ads to get money or just gold or anything. I do not want to go on Facebook. Alright, this is the last one. And then you can get dualies on the bus. I never thought I would say that.
Dude!
Because I've never seen a bus with dualies unless it's
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Hi, Spinnerack. Hi, Miss Revis. Let's go!
What is this ad? These ads are just insanely weird.
Check out in no time.
But,
Save time with save payments in Chrome.
Series, and I hope you like watching it because that's probably what I'm gonna be posting. Alright, but anyways, now we can get dualies on the bus. Alright. That is sick. Yeah, tuning. Dude, this is the sickest thing I've ever seen. Never seen dualies on a short bus.
Dude!
A day ago, I didn't even know there was a bus
I'm fine.
for that long.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Hi, Spinnerack. Hi, Miss Revis. Let's go!
That is weird. Pokemon TCG Pocket. Yeah, everybody go download that.
Check out in no time.
But don't mind these ads, I just need money because I am brokey
Save
boy.
time with Save Payments in Chrome.
But yeah, we are done with this. So let's go. Alright, wheels and tires. No, I do not want big rims. Alright, wheels radius. Wheels width. More. Alright. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. That's just insane. I need more money so I can do it one more time so the wheels are the same size. Oh, oops. No, stop going on to...
What am I gonna do?
Sorry.
Relax. Just sign up with
This
Snip
is
and
just
Clip.
kind of...
It's a flat monthly rate, no stress, and unlimited snow plowing. We even offer live tracking.
Wow, that's really impressive.
This
Snow
ad
is unpredictable, but with
I don't
Snip
know.
and Clip,
I'm just
nothing's
here for
gonna
the money.
stop you now.
No, stop going on to Safari. Alright, front. No, I do not want big rims. Alright, radius. Boom. Width. Boom. The back wheels don't really need to be this wide. This is just the funniest thing I've ever seen. Dude. In no world I would ever think that I had a short bus that's American flag wrapped with monster truck tires and dualies and an American flag antenna with a cowboy hat on it that also is named the KOOL bus. This is just insane. Somebody should recreate this in real life and then pull up to a 4th of July party with this. That would be the sickest thing ever. Dude, I wish I could get underglow. I wish that was a thing in Offroad Outlaws. Oh, I want to get the thing where if I get like all the amount of wraps that you can, that, dang it, I don't have enough. But it's sick enough anyways. I don't know what they're doing. Mr. Manhole. Alright. Dude, I might have to get tracks on this. That would be pretty sick. But, yeah. I am going to go to Tundra. Tundra is like the only map I play. Rolling coal. This truck is literally the GOAT. Of course, now that I say that, I get stuck. But this truck is literally the best towing rig I have. Yeah. But like I said, it's the best one I have, but not the best one I could have. Like, I could get way better trucks. By the way, this truck, the Beaver, is the starter truck. And I have turned it into this. Fully maxed out with NOS, turbos, diesel swapped, dualies, giant tires. This is just like the ultimate flatbed truck. A true story about this truck. My uncle has one that's literally the same that he calls the Beaver, and he used it to stack firewood, well, haul firewood. So that's where the inspiration from this came from. And roll coal on this guy. Yo, does this dude want to race? Alright. Dude, chill. I guess we're doing a three-way race, maybe? Bro, line up right here, dude. Alright. Go! Crap. That was the best start ever. At least I didn't hit the wall this time. And we are going to the moon. Or into a tree, that works too. Dude, that guy's pretty slow, I'm not gonna lie. Skirt, skirt, skirt. This truck tops out at 140. And that was not a backflip. This game is tripping. Let's turn on diff lock because I'm climbing a mountain. But yeah. That was a backflip if I've ever seen one. Low ride. Okay, duder. Well, that was something. And we're attaching the winch right there. And we are low gearing to nossing to flipping. Dang it. Well, I thought. Okay. Alright, so the trick to get up this mountain is, well, you know, just watch and learn. Okay, hold on. No, how the heck did I wheelie on the ice? Alright, but yes. Well, this truck has been rolled more than any car in the entire world. Alright. Make it, Nos, make it. You better make it, Nos. The Nos didn't make it. Alright, well, what the heck? Alright, let's try this again. Alright, I just need to get up here and not fall off the edge. Get going and then nos it all. Well, I was gonna say all the way up, but I didn't really make it all the way up, so. Redid. And now we're upside down again. That's just amazing. Alright. Nope, that's not gonna work. And not gonna work. Hello. Okay. Alright, well, this isn't really working like I hoped it would. This truck isn't the best climber. And I almost just got high centered. And alright. Dude, I just can't do anything. Alright, yes. No. Dude, I'm so close from the top. So entirely close. No. Alright, well. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Well, if I can get off this ad, please. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Please, if you have not already subscribed, and also drop a name for this truck in the comments, because it very badly needs one. But other than that, I will see you on the next one. Peace out.